Nature walk.
No!
Whoa, boys, don't do
Spider! No, that's skinny and spider!
nature walk. Oh, no! It was a skinny-legged spider.
We seen two. There's a red one I seen, and but then she found one.
Why does our face look so soft?
Oh my gosh, this is too scary. I hate
Going on a nature walk.
And guys, like and subscribe. Dina, can we post this on YouTube?
I guess. Okay, let's
Nature
take a
walk.
picture. I can take a picture like
Come here,
this.
Idea, come on.
Now pick me up.
I think you got a scooter.
Nature.
Right.
Get in the thing. Get out of the light. We can't see nothing. Just-
Is that the picture of the...
That's a picture. Okay. Nature
Don't be making a video.
walking. I'll turn it off for you.
Yeah, y'all always say that, but y'all don't.
Whoa.
When we get to the playground, we're going to take a water break, get some water.
Guys, these are the nature walks. The best nature walks ever.
It makes your skin look so soft. Look at my skin.
Are we putting this on YouTube? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Subscribe to Hadiana Adila channel. My little brother, he loves singing, going on the bell.
They, sorry about the background noise. Nature.
Nature walk.
People.
Everyone, excuse me, there's spiders everywhere.
Yeah, there's a bunch of
Take
spiders.
a picture of the sun. Go back where I am. I think the sun is so pretty.
Hold up, guys. I'm taking a picture. Okay. So, yeah, it's such a cool nature walk.
And everybody, this is the best nature walk.
Look at the beautiful sun.
And we here on board.
Such beautiful trees. Guys, we're on a mission to find bird eggs.
Yes.
If we find any, we'll post the video stat. Okay, that'll be the end of this video.
Wait, do you
Come,
go
no,
forward?
no. Everyone, we'll come back if we find any bird eggs. So, bye everyone. We can't do the back bends because these are the rocks. Look how hard these things are. Oh my god. And we saw spiders and everything. We can't do where the twins back.
Well, we could just say, where the twins?